today we're talking about square. We studied before in the previous year area of square. We can say area of square equals side length times side length. If we have example, if here he said square, its side length equals 8 centimeters, find the area. What we'll say, we can say area equals side times side. What's the meaning of side? All of these lines is called sides. 8, 8, 8, 8. So here we can say 8 times 8 equals 64. In this year, we will study how we can find the area of a square by diagonal. What's the meaning of diagonal? This line is called diagonal. This line is called diagonal. We have two lines equal in length. We have two diagonals here. If we want to find the area by diagonal, area of diagonal, area of square, here area of square equals half times diagonals times diagonal. Half times diagonal times diagonal. If we have example, if here he said square, its diagonal equals 10 centimeters. Find the area. He wants to find the area. We'll say area equals half times d times d. We can say half times diagonal here equals 10. So we'll say half times 10 times 10. If we want to make simplest form, we can cancel together. We can say 10 divided 5 equals 10 divided 2 equals 5. After that, 5 times 10 equals 50. Equals 50 square centimeter. So here we write the rules. Area of square equals side length times side length. And also we can say area of square equals half times diagonal times diagonal. We have example. Here he said square, its side length equals 12 centimeters. Find the area. We have rule. We can say area equals side times side. Side here equals 12, so we'll say 12 times 12. 12 times 12 equals 144 square centimeters. Another question. Here he said square, its diagonals its diagonal equals 14 centimeters. Find the area. We said area of square, we have two rules, side times side, or we can say half times diagonal times diagonal. We will use half times diagonal times diagonal. Area equals half times diagonal times diagonal. Here half times 14 times 14. We can cancel together. We can say divided by 2, 14, it will be 7. After that we can say 7 times 14. 7 times 14, 7 times 4 equals 28. We write 8 and carry up 2. 7 times 1 equals 7. After 7, 8, 9. So it will be 98 square centimeters. This question here, he said a square, its diagonal equals 9 centimeter. Find its area. He talk about diagonals. Diagonals, the rule, area equals half times d times d. We'll say half times diagonal here equals 9 times 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. We can say 81 divided by 2. 80 divided by 2 equals 40. And 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. So result equals 40.5 square centimeters. We can say 9 times 9. After that we can say divided by 2. Or also we can make check by calculator. So the rule here, area of square equals side times side, and also new rule in this here, area of square equals half times diagonal times diagonal, and don't forget diagonals here are equal in length. In this question here he said square its area equals 36 square centimeters. Find the side length. Here he gave me the area. Here he said area equals 36 square centimeters, and he want to find the side. We said area of square equals side times side. Area equals side times side. But here he gave me the area, so 36, we want number times itself, it will be 36. So we'll say 6 times 6 equals 36. So side length here equals 6 centimeters. He said square. Here he said square its area equals 8 centimeter. 8 square centimeters. He said find the length of diagonal. We have area of square equals half times d times d. Here he said area equals 8. 8 equals half times diagonal times diagonal. We can say 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16, and we find number times itself equals 16. So 2 times 8 equals 16. So result here, space times space equals 16. We can say 4 times 4 equals 16. So here diagonals equals 4 centimeters.